Okay, so I possibly did something very stupid or very smart, but it's definitely not smart. So, I took an Instacart order and 40 packs of water. That's the only item. I don't know how this is gonna work, but fuck it. It's a challenge. I like challenges. I'm gonna use probably my whole fucking car, and there's probably gonna be one on my lap. I don't know if this weight is gonna fuck up my car, though. Shit. Alright, Sam's Club, here we go. Fuck. One hand.